In this video, I'm going to show you how to perform GST calculations. I'm going to show you how to calculate the GST element, how to calculate an amount inclusive of GST, and also how to remove the GST element from an amount. Let's start with working out the GST element. So in Australia, the GST rate is 10%. So one way of doing this would be to take the amount and then multiply it by 10%. Now you could either express that as 0.1, which would give you $10, or you could write it as 10%, which will give you the same answer. What you might want to do, however, is refer to the GST rate within a cell. So to do that, you take the amount and then multiply it by the cell reference where you're holding the GST rate, and that's C3 in my example. Now, if I wanted to replicate this calculation for these other amounts, what I would need to do is lock the reference to C3. So to do that, I click into the C3 reference and I use the F4 key at the top of my keyboard. I'll put dollars in that cell reference. If F4 doesn't work for you, just type the dollars in as they appear here. And then I'll better copy this formula down and it'll work out the GST elements for these other amounts. So it'd be exactly the same if you were in India. You'd have to obviously choose the correct rate for your particular goods. But we would take the amount and we would multiply by the rate. So in my example here, it's in D3, and I'd need to lock that reference and then copy it down. Now, if you want to add the GST element to the amount, so have an inclusive amount, the calculation is slightly different. For example, if your GST rate is 10%, as it is in Australia, then you would take the amount and multiply it by 1.1. And that would add the GST element to the amount. Or you could multiply by 110%. If you want to include this value here in your formula, you would perform this calculation. So it would be B11 times, open bracket, 1 plus C10, C10 being where you're storing your rate, close the bracket, and you need to lock that reference. So then I can copy this down, and these are the inclusive amounts. It'd be same for calculating rates in India. Say equals the amount times, open bracket, 1 plus the cell reference that contains your rate. So in my example, that's D10, which I'd need to lock, close the bracket, press enter, and then I can copy this down. Now, to remove the GST element from an amount, you have to divide. So you take the amount and you would divide by, and if the rate was 10%, you would divide by 1.1. If you want to use this value in your formula, you would say equals this divided by, open brackets, 1 plus the cell reference that you're holding your rate in. So in my example, that's C17. Close bracket, and that will give you the same answer. I need to lock the reference to C17, copy it down, and it will work for the other amounts. Let's try it for this 5% rate in India. So we would say equals the amount, divide by, open bracket, 1 plus D17. D17 where I'm holding that rate. I'd lock that cell reference, close the bracket, press enter, and then I'd copy this down. Okay, that's all I wanted to cover in this particular video. Hopefully that's useful. If it is, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll see you next video.